Jessica, come back here.
Mark, I'm leaving and don't want to hurt you more.
I think we need to talk about what happened. I can't keep pretending everything is okay.
It's been weighing on me too. I never wanted to hurt you like this.
How could you do this? What were you thinking?
I don't know. I felt so alone for so long. When I met him, it was like he saw me. Really saw me in a way that made me feel valued again.
But we had something special. Why didn't you come to me instead of seeking attention elsewhere?
I tried. I really did. But every time I reached out, it felt like you were too busy or distracted with work and the kids.
So cheating was your solution?
It made me feel invisible.
You could have talked to me about how you felt. What do you want now?
And I want to make things right.
You want us to fix this?
You're right, and I regret my choices every day. It was a terrible mistake, but at that moment, it felt like an escape from the pain of feeling neglected.
It's going to take time for me to process all of this. Trust has been broken.
Yes.
And it won't be easy.
I love you, but I understand if you can't forgive me.
That might help. But first, we need honesty between us moving forward.
I'm willing to do whatever it takes to rebuild that trust.
No more secrets.
Absolutely. No more secrets. I'll share everything with you from now on. And promise not to try it again, Mark. Thanks for everything. Can we go to counseling together?